We're driving through. We're in Pigeon Forge now.
Pigeon Forge.
Headed to Patriot Park. There's a pink Jeep Tours we just passed. Sorry, we're hitting bumps.
Some bad storms right through.
We got a bunch of bad storms. It looks kind of busy today over here.
River's not too bad. It's actually normal. A little mucky, but it's still
There's the
normal.
river.
But it's still normal. There's nothing crazy
There's
going on. So, yeah. Not too crazy, as they say.
It doesn't look that busy over here, but there was a lineup for that one place over there. I don't know what the place was. The town looks empty, don't it?
Yeah, there's not much going on.
Oh, I mean, it's raining too, so. I am Rocky. Like, I'm holding this weird gimbal. We had some bad thunderstorms earlier this morning. We were told that Knoxville was under tornado watch, right?
Yeah, a couple tornado watches, yeah.
And the light's changing. Pigeon Forge.
Yeah, there's not much, like, because we had some bad storms roll through, and they were saying, you know, Pigeon Forge was, like, flooded or something. It's not. Actually, Sevierville has more damage and stuff than Pigeon Forge does. Pigeon Forge actually looks pretty good. There's really not much to balk about, but...
There's the old Moon's Pie General Store to the right.
My Daddy, Big Daddy's Pizza.
Rite Aid looks kind of busy.
You got the old potheads are out here.
Yeah, the potheads are back.
This year, it's essential workers, so they themed them all as work.
There's the Crave on the right.
Essential workers, so it's pretty cool. So they have a theme this year. They have a nurse and doc, you know what I mean, and police and firefighters. This is pretty much it for the rain. Once this next little wave rolls through, which is the weaker of all the waves, this will be all pretty much gone through for today. A little windy.
And it's a Tuesday morning.
Alcatraz East.
To the right. There's an island to the right.
There's not many people here. This is Tuesday.
It doesn't look too busy.
Now, this weekend coming up will be busy because of Mother's Day. A lot of people come
There's
here
the
on Mother's
Pirates
Day.
Voyage to the right.
But no, I mean, it's looking pretty good. There's really no damage down here from the storms at all. Looking good. I can actually tell the water levels by, by the river. They're actually normal. A little brown, a little mucky, which is normal. Every time it rains, it looks a little mucky looking.
It's brown.
So.
There's Publix straight ahead of us. And some more traffic.
A little bit of water in the medium there. Nothing major. Mother Nature is angry today, though.
There's flapjacks on the left. TGI Fridays on the left. Jurassic
Right.
Park.
The right.
Jungle Boat Ride to the left.
Right.
Right.
Well, no. See, you're right.
Okay.
Not left.
Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. I'm saying it wrong because we turned. My bad. We picked up on it. So
Right.
look at the clouds and the trees and.
Yeah, it's been pretty. A lot of lightning. Seen a lot worse though. Remember the first year we moved here to about 8 years ago. Remember that lightning storm? I mean, it was like so crazy. There must have been. Lightning was just hitting all the trees around us and everything.
There's a Coca-Cola truck.
Yeah.
Professor Hacker's Golf. The Alamo.
Mountain Manny's. We got a new gift store coming where the old Sevier County Bank used to sit. I'm shocked they tore down that big old brick building.
Oopsie. Sorry. I moved my arm.
And they put in another t-shirt shop that we have like 80 of. So it is what it is.
It doesn't look too busy.
No, it's but after this weekend coming up, it's gonna start getting busy. That after Mother's Day, things really start to go. But it's been the last 3 weeks. In the middle of the week, it's been perfect. The weekends have been always crazy. We always have weekend warriors. Weekends are always a crazy here. It's a mad dash to get in, and it's a mad dash to get out. I wouldn't come on a weekend. Yeah, I mean, I would only come in during the week. I would take a week, come through Monday through Thursday or Monday through Friday. There's that new gift store there.
There's a new gift store coming.
Yeah, just like the rest of them. Beachwear, and I believe all these, if I'm not mistaken, all of these big gift stores are owned by one person or one conglomerate. I believe they're like out of Orlando or something. And that's, they're kind of like a gift store mecca.
I hear more sirens.
Yeah.
Though I'm not sure what's going on.
I just been seeing like the police and fire trucks. They're just like driving back and forth. There's sirens going on. They haven't been really like going anywhere. They've been driving around with their sirens going. No. We were under a thunderstorm watch earlier. That's probably what they're doing. But we're going to have a rainy Wednesday a little bit. About a 62% chance tomorrow.
I thought today was Tuesday.
Yeah, 100% chance rain today.
Oh.
Tomorrow's going to be 62% chance. And then the weekend is actually looking pretty good. So we're going to be about upper 60s, lower 70s this weekend. So it's going to be a nice weekend to come down for Mother's Day. I'll tell you that. It's going to be busy, though. Mother's Days are always busy here. So, really not much going on. is pretty much dead. Boss Hogs is going to be opening soon. The new location, Boss Hogs.
I hear the siren, but I don't see it.
Yeah,
We're in Dollywood Lane. Is that Will and Dawn driving through there? Nah.
Fresh spring.
It's green.
Looking at the radar, all this heavy storms are already moved off. So we're just getting the tail end of everything. Norma Dan, still owned by the original owners. Norma's still around, and Dan passed away about a year and a half back, maybe a little bit longer. Little Caesars, there's always a few cars in that drive-through.
People like the Little Caesars pizza option.
You get into town, it's late, you get your hotel room, people are a little hungry, cranky.
They do make a pretty good pizza.
It's okay.
It's a hit and miss.
You go in there, you're going to get them quick. You're going to get in out of there quick. You're probably tired. You want to go back to your hotel and just chill. And then, so you just stop by there. You grab a couple of them $6 pizzas or $5 pizzas. Go back to the room, you eat, and then you crash, But that's it, man. It's really what's going on. There's not much. There's the pink Jeep Tours.
Yahoo!
And you are officially in the
yellow
Jeep Tours.
We're
a little wonky. We're like the wonky of the Jeep Tours. We're not as professional.
No. Well, we get to where you want to go or need to go.
Sometimes we gotta get out of the Jeep to get a little better of a shot, right? But it looks like we're having a little bit of rain though.
Mm-hmm. Well, I mean, it's pretty much doesn't look bad today, like busy-wise.
No.
This is doable. You're getting right through traffic and...
Yeah, we're just cruising around. Looking around the strip, looking for... we do this every day, almost. We kind of just drive... We go through Pigeon Forge like once or twice, just drive through. And we're looking for anything that, it's different, If there's something there notable, we put it in our vlog. And then, if not, we go on to our subject matter, whatever it might be, that hiking or whatever. But sometimes it's good to go visually see. You'll hear things from people like, "Oh, this is happening" or "That's happening," and then we have to go physically see it. You know what I mean, to make sure that it's what it is.
That's a car or a loud truck.
Some information we get is good. Some information is bad. There's actually a lot of bad information out there.
That's a cement truck. Making the cement.
Building something. A lot of building going on. Old mill here real quick. The old mill.
Back to the old mill district.
I don't know what adventure we're going to do today. I'm going to do something.
Oh, the wheel is spinning, so does that mean they're making meal?
Yeah, they're grinding mill. Now you can see that the water levels are normal. That's normal, other than a little bit of the,
No flooding.
a little bit murkiness of it. It's normal. So everything's looking good here at Pigeon Forge. It really is. There's nothing going on. It's the same old, same old. It's less busy and a little bit of rain today. A lot of cool shops in here. A lot of folks, they come to the area. They always miss out on the old mill area. There's so many folks I talk to, I say, hey, have you been like around the old mill area? And they're like, what's the old mill? And so definitely really, it's worth coming out. Checking out the old mill. There's those flowers that you and Adam took that photo in. You guys both got in a flower, remember that?
Yeah.
You guys were sunflowers or daisies or whatever.
I think they're sunflowers.
Yeah. No. That was hilarious. He's like, let's do this photo, It's like, oh, all right, it was hilarious. He is a hoot to be around. Adam, he's so full of energy and just so, Tennessee Shine Company. I think they've changed their name. They were like something, and then this guy's doing. I had to stop there for a second because I didn't know if that guy was going to dart in front or. You never know.
What road is this called?
This is Teaster.
Teaster.
Oh, there goes lightning.
Teaster. I don't know if I got it on camera, but we've seen lightning.
Yeah, lightning. Lightning struck.
There's the new Publix. I'm sorry, Food City. Food City.
Looks like we're getting some rain coming through.
Mall, little strip mall. We got Marshalls and.
It'll be an all-day rain. Looks like until at least 4 o'clock, according to radar.
I can hear thunder.
You ever do that when you like blink for a second and you open your eyes up and lightning has happened? You get that like blast of like light. It's weird.
We're coming up, you can see the wheel at the island.
Yeah, look at that. Building a new hotel up here on the hill. Not sure exactly what brand it is. I believe it's another like Hilton Fairfield type thing or something. Beautiful, beautiful though.
I don't know if I can get the view over there or not because we're in the car, but.
It's just the mountains.
There goes a pink Jeep tour. It went by me again.
They're out today.
They're on the move.
I don't know. I wonder if anything's closed at a national park. Yeah, Klingman's Dome Road is closed.
Oh, okay.
So they shut down Klingman's Dome. I would, especially during a lightning storm.
I wouldn't want to be climbing up it in a lightning storm.
be up there during thunderstorm. It's crazy. We were up there on Clemens Dome once. Remember during lightning storm? It was like booms. What interesting. The new Nike store is like totally crazy packed all the time. I don't know what Nike does, but they definitely packed that place out. There's one of those potheads.
Oh.
I think he was a police officer. Yeah, there's not much going on. It's gonna be a nice week until, like, so the weekend, Mother's Day weekend. It'll be crazy around here. It'll still probably be crazy around here come like Monday too, and then
And it's green.
Pigeon Forge snow. You know what's better than Pigeon Forge snow?
What?
Nothing.
Michigan snow. Looks kind of
I'm gonna
busy.
put some air conditioning units or sort of put some kind of doing a little bit of work on Pigeon Forge snow. Let's have.
Whoa, whoa, they're stopping.
I guess he decided he weren't gonna make a left there, did he?
There's the Christmas Inn.
Yeah, that's a cool place. We ate at the Blue Moose the other day.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't film it. We just went and ate, you know. I
Whoa.
don't think this guy knows where he's going. Where are you
He's
going,
from
bud?
Alabama. So
Where are you going?
I shouldn't have said that. Maybe he's confused, like he wants to go somewhere, but he doesn't know
When
where.
people are, you know, out the element.
He was like hitting
Locals
the
are like, "What are you
brakes
doing?" Because we know they don't know. You know, they're kind of like, "I don't know what
There's
I'm doing."
feasters on teasters.
You know, so that's it. That's it. Just a
Mhm.
rainy day here. Isn't it?
Yeah, just another rainy day. We got the Orchid Man in front of us.
They kill bugs.
Huh? They got a Gallenberg sign up there, a big sign that probably changes. Yeah, it's changing. Sorry about the mirror. We're gonna get off of here now, but that's our drive through Pigeon Forge.
Yeah, just guys, it's been great here, other than a little rain today.
It rained yesterday too.
We had a big thunderstorms roll through, but there's nothing, no flooding. I know you said flash flooding. I didn't see nothing different.
I didn't see nothing different. So. Well, that was our drive through Pigeon Forge, so I'm gonna get off of here now. Bye, guys. Say bye, Will.
Bye.